Hi students, welcome to Tirumala Max YouTube channel. நம்ம பார்க்க போறது top 10 5 mark questions chapter 3 algebra ல public exam study plan ல இப்போ நம்ம questions பார்க்க போறோம். Let us go to the video. முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. I always say that முயற்சியும் பயிற்சி இருந்தா தான் you will be able to get a வெற்றி. So unless you have a முயற்சி and பயிற்சி you will not be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வும் எழுத வேண்டும். Make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life, my dear children. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. So please make note of that and read accordingly and get benefit of that. And I want to tell you that we have already uploaded social science study plan which is given in the link, and the study material is also available for social and as well as science subject. So use that description link and get benefit of that, my dear children. Let us go to the video now. So the first question is question number 1, exercise 3.1. Third question, Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they now? So this is like a problem related algebraic expression sum, and which is treated to be very important. Normally when the question is little tough, these type of questions will definitely come. So please make note of that and get benefit of that, my dear children. Let us go to the question number 2. Question number 2, once again repeat the same process, the same exercise 3.1, and it is the fifth question. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose total is 105. When first two sorts are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. That's all. The same process what you have done for the other question also, the same is applicable here also. Let us go to the third one, which is treated to be very important, the GCD. Example 3.10. Find the GCD of the polynomials x cube plus x square minus x plus 2 and 2x cube minus 5x square plus 5x minus 3. This is one of the very important sum which is likely to be in for the public examination. So I request my children to look into this particular question. Will make you to get the required 5 marks. So I request you to see this question as a very important one. So let us go to the next question number 4. Exercise 3.5, third simplify. The first one is 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6 totally divides a square plus 6a by plus 5 by minus a square minus 35a minus 50. So this you have to make it as a reciprocal for the divide, and that will become a multiply. Then you can split those numbers into the algebraic expression and you have to cancel those numbers and you will get that answer. So I hope in the questions 4 questions உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். I just wanted to go before fifth question. Before that, I want to tell you that we have already uploaded social science study material and science study material, and which is given in the description link, which will enhance your scoring a marks and as well as to get more marks in your public examination, which will be a very vital role for your exams. So keep note of that and make study accordingly, my dear children. Let us go to the question number 5. The question number 5 is exercise 3.5, that is fourth one. If x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3 and y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. Find the value of x square y power minus 2. So I once again repeat, this is the very important question if the question is very tough. Normally these type of questions will be asked when the question paper is tough. So this will be a very useful for the people who want to read the tricky and tough question. This question will definitely come for your public examination. Let's go to the question number 6. Example 3.18, simplify, that is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 minus x square minus 8x plus 15. So I'll repeat, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 and 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 and 1 by x square minus 8x plus 5. So this is treated to be a very important sum, and please make note of that, my dear children. And the next one is exercise 3.65. If a is equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 and b is equal to 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1, find 1 by a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. So I'll repeat, if a is equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 and b is equal to 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1, find 1 minus a minus b minus 2b by a square minus b square. So let us go to the next question, question number 8. Example 3.21 is find the square root of 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. The square root is one of the very important one. These type of sum, not this particular sum, I'm telling you that these type of sum will definitely they will ask in your examination. Please make note of that, and let us go to the ninth sum. Exercise 3.8. The second one is find the value of the a and b. The following polynomials are a perfect square. So normally these type of question only will come, like they will ask you to find a and b or p and q or m and n. So these are the three types of questions that normally they will ask. If it is a perfect square, they'll go for the p and q or p a and b or m and n. So I once again repeat that I told you that square root will be there, and as well as this type of questions will be there in particularly in this algebra. These are the very important questions. Let's go to the 10th question. Before that, I just wanted to tell you that in our social science we have uploaded already full study materials which is given in the description link, and you can use benefit of that for the public examination, that like 1 word, 5 mark, 2 mark, maps, distinguish, timeline, everything is there in my video. When you want to study social science, you take this video as a key point and get benefit of that, my dear children. It is covered, everything is there in my video. It's instead of going through your book, if you want to see that one, that will be very useful to you to get a very good mark, my dear children. Let us go to the question number 10. Example 3.44. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0, find the values of alpha minus beta. Second one is alpha square plus beta square. Third one is alpha cube minus beta cube. And fourth one is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 and alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. And sixth one is a square alpha plus square by beta plus alpha square beta square by alpha. So in that one, I just wanted to tell you that any two will be asked. So either first two or against third and fourth or 5 and 6 or whatever it is, it literally it will be like a 1 or 2 definitely they will ask in that particular topic. So they will not ask all these 6. I just wanted to tell you, but the models which it is given is in this type of question, at least 2 questions will be there. So you have to go through all these things, then get benefit of that, my dear children. So I once again repeat, these are the 6 questions. Out of 6, they will ask only 2 questions. So let us go to the next one, my dear children. The 11th one is coming under matrix chapter. So matrix chapter also 1 5 mark definitely they will ask. So in that one you have to be very careful while doing this one, my dear children. Example 3.667. That is, if A is equal to 183350876, B is equal to 8 minus 6 minus 4, 2, 11 minus 3 and 0, 1, 5, and C is equal to 5, 3, 0 and minus 1 minus 7 and 2, 1, 4, 3. So compute the following as 3A plus 2B minus C and 1 by 2A minus 3 by 2B. So please make note of that and read accordingly, my dear children. Question number 12. If A is equal to, example 3.68, A is equal to 2113, B is equal to 2013, find AB and BA, verify AB is equal to BA. So you have to find AB which is equal to BA. Let's go to the 13th question. Example 3.7, A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, B is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. C is equal to 1 to 2 minus 3. they have given they are not given an exact matrix. You see, the first one is 1 into 3 and other one is 2 into 3 and other one is 2 by 2. So it has a variations is there. So show that AB into C is equal to AB. Definitely these type of question will come, and please make out note of that. Next one is A is equal to 1 2 1 and 2 minus 1 1, B is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 4 0 2. That is AB transpose is equal to B transpose of A transpose. It's example 3.73. Let's go to the 15th and final one. If A is equal to 3112, this is very, very important, my dear children. I just wanted to tell you this is very important. Always this question you have to read when you read a matrix question, my dear children. So if A is equal to 3112, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 is equal to 0. With this, I hope in the answer உங்களுக்கு questions எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Please subscribe to Tirumala Max YouTube channel and forward your friends also about this channel, and also use the description link. Lot of materials are there for social and science we have already uploaded, and max is also going on. Get a benefit of that, and that will be useful for your public examination. And I request you to share, subscribe, click button, like button, and send us a comment on that, and press the bell button also for more updates. With this, I wish you all success in your examination. Stay tuned for more exam updates. Thank you so much. Bye, my dear children.